You're gonna have some pie today, fatty. Yeah. I hate cars. I hate them. I hate them so much. There's just so much to be done. I'm home alone again. Cars suck. I have old cars suck. I can't wait until I have an actual good paying job that I can actually afford a newer car. It'll probably be a new used car, but one that still has plenty of years left, not one that has that only can give me 1 or 2 years. It's ridiculous. But yeah, Mike went to work. He did some dishes and he vacuumed the floor, which looks amazing. And he did do the couch, though we sat on it and it's kind of coming up now. And he did clean off the table, which I want to get rid of this thing, to be honest with you, because that doesn't really help that ceramic heater thing. I don't know if it's because we have too much draft going on in our place or what, but yeah. But thank you, Mike, for doing all that. I appreciate it. Now it's my turn to get cracking on cleaning some things. Probably after I eat something, because I'm starting to get a little hungry. Yeah, a little hungry. Ugh, so gross outside. Ugh, I didn't miss the rain that much. The cold rain. I do miss, however, the warm rain. Can't wait till it's 70 out and raining. Even 70 out and being really nice out, that'd be great. But yeah. I'm gonna get back to my project now. I was cleaning out under there. I got one side cleared and then I took a break and started doing this project. Doesn't it look pretty? I'm just not feeling it. Mostly because I'm tired. I'm really tired since I didn't get a chance to sleep in that much. Had to get my car serviced. That sucks. But, yeah. So I'm gonna get back to this cleanness and eat one of these Nature Valley bars. So then I can... I hate being short. So I have at least something in my stomach. And then I can digest a little bit and then get to my workout. And hopefully be done before Mike gets home. Around 8-ish. And I hope he's able to bring food home. That'd be awesome. I'm definitely gonna miss that perk when he changed jobs, but whatever. I like him having a full-time job anyway and getting more money for us. And hi Dad, I love you. You're so adorable. How are you so adorable? I love you. Oh boy, all done my workout, but look at this. My off day, and then month 2. Oh boy, I'm scared. I'm scared. Mike, what am I gonna do? Jackie Beans! I missed her. You're so cute. I ended up passing out on the sofa, but just wanted to say keep staying positive, keep moving your body. Have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good night. I'm just gonna relax the rest of the night. Someone's yelling, I'm the adult. I'm the effing adult. This is bad, I shouldn't be eavesdropping.